Say that one again.
Penis.
Penis. Okay. I am interested in learning some Gaelic football words, Colin, and I'm hoping you can help me out, seeing as you're Mr. Gaelic. What is the word for free kick?
Brep sir. Brep
Brep.
sir.
Sure. Corner.
You're testing me here. I'm starting to doubt myself.
You're supposed to be Mr. Gaelic.
I know. I'm falling to pieces. I'm feeling the pressure. Corner.
Corner. Is it just corner? Right, okay. Penalty.
Penish. On you go.
Say that one again.
Penis.
Penis. Okay.
Or Brep penish.
Or Brett penis.
Yeah.
What's the difference?
Well, you can use either one.
Penis. Good to know. I'm not making a comment.
Here you go, you're fluent.
I didn't understand any of that.